Welcome to the Bond Studio. I'm here with Laura and we are excited to show you and introduce you to another project of ours that we like to call the Back 9. This is 9,500 square foot home with 4 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms.
It's on the golf course.
Literally golf course right out the backyard. It is so pretty. The views are incredible and just some really fun elements like an unbelievable wine room. This is a really fun home, particularly because this was a past client that reached back out. We love working with past clients. It's always great because we kind of have an immediate rapport. We know like their taste, their style, things that are important to them. So that's always really fun when we get to jump into that. This particular home was already in the building phase. It had started, it was like being framed, but we were still early enough in the process that we're able to like come in and make all the selections for tile and hardwood, and
I don't think we were really stuck with anything.
No.
So these clients wanted a cozy mountain home, really cozy fabrics, a lot of texture. We have like wire brushing on cabinets, a lot of those things that make it feel more mountainy, but very cozy with a lot of furs, a lot of hair on hide, things like that.
I think some of the original concepts were maybe a little outdated.
Yeah.
And so we just wanted to, and the client as well, we just wanted to take them just mountain, but also like fresh, like up to date, not like Smokey the Bear.
Yeah.
I think the first thing we really dove into when we started this was the kitchen layout and design. There was a wall that was kind of at an angle. It was like dividing the kitchen from the pantry, and it was making it really complicated and really hard. That was one of the first things they were like, help, we don't know what to do with this. And so Laura and I really thought a lot about this, looked at it on paper, walked the house, and we were like, this wall's got to change. All we had to do was simply square it up. And it solved all our problems.
Because it gave you a really weird kind of triangle walk space where if you're working in a kitchen, you're working between 2 spaces. You know, one is very wide and one is more skinny. It just didn't flow very well.
Sometimes a very simple change makes a huge difference. This was one of those times. When we started looking at colors and wood tones and finishes that we wanted in this house, there was one slab that came to mind that we were like, this is perfect. And it's the one we used in the Speakeasy kitchen. We love it. It's Capolavoro. It's leathered, but it's just so pretty and a mountain warm setting.
Yeah.
So we knew this is another spot for this. That's kind of, again, where we started
the inspiration.
Yeah, inspiration for all the colors in the home.
So the floor plan in this house is really actually kind of cool because the main level is basically all your living space. So we've got kitchen, dining room, great room, all the bedrooms and bathrooms basically.
Another sitting room.
The office. So basically all of your main living is done up there, and then downstairs is kind of more fun. We have the wine room, big living space, golf simulator, that kind of stuff. So it kind of works out super nicely. Like, this is a really great floor plan in that way. The great room, kind of our first piece that we started out with when we were pulling fabrics and stuff, was this rug. We knew we wanted to use this rug. It's got the perfect colors for this home. Our clients loved it, and we knew we wanted to use this as the starting point. So we used this. You can see it's got a lot of different colors in it, but it's still very neutral. A lot of the mountain colors, a lot of the colors you'll see outside, which I love when you have a lot of windows and you can kind of see the same colors inside as you can outside. In this space, we end up doing 2 sofas and some swivel chairs. And our most favorite part are these little chairs, and they're gonna be done in this hair on hide, and they're called shin toasters. So if you don't know what a shin toaster is,
they're just a small chair. They almost look like a child-sized chair, but they're meant to just be tucked right up against the fireplace, literally so that you can just be up close and get cozy and warm.
Yeah, they're based off like in the olden days, like cowboys would sit on them to like have their shins warm up in front of the fire, so they needed to be lower. And they're just, honestly, like, they're really useful.
We love them.
We love them, and we're so excited to use them in this project.
And so perfect in a hair on hide. Like, come on.
So this home has a lot of texture to it, and we love bringing in a lot of texture, especially into a mountain home. But you gotta be mindful about your textures. So, you know, we have a velvet sofa, and then we have this material, which is a little bit more chenille. And then, you know, we don't want to be pairing a velvet on a velvet on a velvet. You know, when you're thinking about pillows and, you know, blankets and a throw, you just want to be mindful of kind of mixing some of your textures, I think.
Texture's a great way to create warmth.
Totally.
And honestly, it started even with our wood floor.
Yeah,
because we have like a really beautiful like wire brushed wood floor that has kind of this raw organic feel to it. It's not shiny, it's really natural. Even our cabinets have a wire brush to them. And then we have like a slick texture with like a cold rolled steel.
Yeah.
So, and beams, we have
the hair on hide brings in another texture. So lots of different textures, just be mindful of what's going on top of each other.
Another way to create warmth is with your walls. Wall coverings, must do. They are just so incredible nowadays of what they used to be, and this adds just another layer. So in
cozy.
This house, we have a lot of really beautiful papers and a lot of ones that have texture to them. So this is one that we're using in a bedroom. This is going on the ceiling of the office. We love a ceiling moment. So fun, and again, it just feels kind of organic, this one does. Even this pattern, which is a stripe, and it's kind of a bold color, it's gonna be so cozy in this room. It still has a texture to it, so we're still playing on that.
And I think with a color like this, when you're looking at a small sample, you might think it's bold and you might be shy to use it, but when you see this in a space, it becomes very neutral.
Yeah.
And I don't think it feels as bold as it looks sometimes when you're looking at a small sample.
Yeah, and we're doing the whole room.
Yeah.
We're not just doing a wall.
Yeah.
Okay, we love a plaid moment. We love a plaid moment at Bond. It is our thing.
We do.
It is so cozy. I think just maybe because we're in the mountains too, it just is like always
and it's
appropriate.
Classic. It's so classic.
It's classic. It can go modern, it can go traditional. We are doing a bedroom in this. We're really excited about that. That's just, I mean, and for a golf course. Come on. Back 9 tartan, we had to have this.
Yeah.
And this one,
one's so good.
Are you dying? We love
the
this.
Little fireflies.
This is for the powder bathroom.
Luckily, our clients love this one as much as we did, because we were like not sure and they loved it, and we were like meant to be. And it's so fun for a powder to just be like something more whimsical.
Go a little crazy in your powder. Powders are boring if you don't. Like, do something like more bold and more daring. It makes the room.
Absolutely.
For the lower family room, which is a really fun space, we knew we needed to have family-friendly fabrics. So that's actually what we started with. For the sectional, we started off with this really soft camel color. Okay, we love camel.
We love camel.
Camel's actually really hard to find, a good camel.
So hard to find.
It's almost impossible.
It's crazy.
This is really soft. It's a performance fabric. It will wear well, it will clean up well, and we have a very large piece because it's a sectional, lot of sections. So we didn't want something super overwhelming, but we wanted something that could kind of anchor and be like cozy and like warm color. And then we brought in this navy pattern for a swivel chair. And of course we have some fun plaids and a wool. And this was also one that we kind of just loved.
Yeah, the texture on this one is really nice. It's kind of heavy, more tapestry-like, and all of the colors brought in were all of the colors we needed. So we knew
it pillows, but it will pull it together.
Yeah.
So we love that, and we also mixed in some leather. Leather's also super great. We don't love it on sofas.
Yeah.
You just slide right off, but for ottomans, fantastic. We use it a lot on ottomans.
Yeah, it's awesome for an ottoman.
That was really fun. Also in this space, we have bunks.
Yeah.
Which are just open to the family room. So we had to pull some other fabrics that we could use on the bunks that would also work with this. So we added some more plaids, and we love this. Is this not so fun?
We love a houndstooth almost as much as a plaid.
Yeah.
This plaid is actually going to be curtains on the bunks, because these bunks
they're open
to the whole living space. We wanted to be able to create some privacy for guests if they were using the bunks. So these will be really cute hanging.
Yeah, we'll be able to shut the curtains. Just some other fun window pane. So it's just this, like, I don't know, I just think it feels just
classic,
appropriate.
Mountainy,
yeah, classic.
Very on par for the
Our slab that's going in here is like perfect with this too.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be so fun.
Probably the most show-stopping part of this home is the wine room. This has taken a ton of design work. We've worked out a lot of kinks, figured out exactly the right layout. It's gonna be pretty unbelievable.
It is. It's right when you get at the bottom of the stairs, it's right there. So we knew immediately we wanted a glass door.
Yeah.
So we're having a custom steel and glass door made so you can see right into it. And we have like full like brick, like whole ceiling
Barrel
is like this
ceiling.
barrel ceiling that's covered in brick.
Yeah.
Backlit onyx.
Oh yeah, backlit
slab.
onyx. I mean, there's a lot of showstoppers in this.
Yeah.
Not only that, it holds, I don't even know how many bottles
Oh my
of wine.
gosh, so many.
We've said we need to start bringing in the wine now.
Every
because
time.
there's so
Everybody
many.
has to bring a bottle at every
Yeah.
visit.
Yeah.
The cabinetry is custom and we did it out of mahogany. And the reason we opted for this, as I have learned on past projects, is you need a wood that won't,
Off gas.
it doesn't have a fragrance
Yeah.
that will get into the wine.
Yeah.
So there's very few woods that will work for that. So this was one, and we have like natural oils going on it just to make sure that the wine stays pristine.
So we really wanted this wine room to feel really authentic, kind of more that European feel, old,
Underground.
you know, yeah, underground, authentic feel. And so with the barreled ceiling and the brick, it really makes it feel that way. And that's honestly probably my favorite part of it is gonna be the ceiling.
And there's beams.
And then yes, we just
Arched
added some beams, and I think it's gonna really just kind of take you back once you get in there and create a whole different vibe for that space. Another showstopper in this house is probably the primary bath. It has turned out to be so fun and so unbelievable. We are doing wood floors in this primary bath.
Yep. We love a wood floor in a bathroom.
We do.
Do not be scared of it.
Do not be scared. It's so warm and cozy, and you have them in your kitchen, and your kitchen
I know.
gets...
I'm so mad I didn't do it in my own bathroom.
Yeah, it's just
So
such a
mad.
pretty look.
They're beautiful. It's softer underfoot, and we have that grounding it, and then we have a stone wall. We brought the exterior stone in that will go behind the tub. The freestanding tub is gonna be so pretty.
Like the coziest spot to take a bath, honestly.
Yeah, and then we decided we had to wrap all the rest of the walls in tile because once one wall is cool like that, we didn't want the others to look not cool.
Yeah.
So we're wrapping the whole bathroom, even the water closet, all the way in the tile. And it's so pretty. It's called Calcutta Lincoln Beige.
It's beautiful. It's very
Beautiful.
warm. It has a nice dark veining in it, but it's not overpowering. And the countertops are actually in the same material in a slab.
And this space was another one that we had to redesign.
Yeah.
The original plans were kind of awkward and cumbersome, and you actually walked through the closet to get to the bathroom.
Yeah.
And we were like, no,
Yeah.
no,
Yeah.
scratch that. So we reworked that and we changed where the entrance in the bathroom was. It's so good though.
Yeah.
It's really beautiful. It's gonna be a stunner. Let's have a moment, let's talk about wood floors in bathrooms. Most people are really scared to do this. Your contractor might try to talk you out of it. Your husband might try to talk you out of it. But it is actually so pretty. I wouldn't suggest doing it in a bathroom where little kids are gonna
Yeah.
be bathing or somewhere where you are really worried about it. But adults, no problem.
Yeah.
You've got this, you can handle it. It's just the same as a kitchen. You have hardwood by the sink and the dishwasher
Yeah.
and like your fridge with the ice maker.
Yeah.
It's the same
Same
risk.
thing.
So
Unless you're swimming laps in your
Yeah.
tub and splashing out everywhere, it's just the same.
it's so pretty, and I love when it can just continue. When the flooring can continue
So
from the
pretty.
bedroom into the bathroom, it's lovely. And I actually think the less breaks you have in flooring, the bigger a space feels too. So it's beautiful.
This project is one that I think a lot of you are really gonna love. So you're definitely gonna wanna stay tuned and see more. Next week, we're gonna actually be going to the site and showing you more. We have a lot to show you in that wine room, so you're definitely gonna wanna see that, so like and subscribe.